A White Rock reporter at the station in White Rock, British Columbia.
I'm surprised he doesn't.
What's going on here is obvious.
I'm surprised he doesn't have something on there that says, "Hey, baby."
Some people love trains, and why not?
No, it's running on live feed.
There's somebody in there here.
We walked all the way from the other end of the beach to see the train track that's right underneath you there. Can we crawl underneath?
Yes, money. Money. When you go out there, watch yourself.
Well, this is great, you know. It's a busy railroad station. This is the new White Rock station, is that correct? That's lovely. Tell me a little about what you are doing. That's a club, or can you give me a little for the White Rock reporter asking you kindly if you can tell me something regarding what's going on in the tent here?
This is just one of our little add-ons that we put in for people to muse people.
Right.
So it's some Bluetooth music and some toy stuff.
And you have some, is this just, will you be here next weekend, or?
No, we're just one day. We were here in July for one day, and just help celebrate the 100th anniversary of the train station.
Okay, so that tell me what's the event here now? What's the name of the club?
The Greater Vancouver Garden Railroad Club.
Okay. So what's your website?
gbgrc.ca.
Oh, that's great. I appreciate that. That's very good.
Down there.
It's hard to put the brochure on the YouTube, you know. Well, gathering lots of people here, and interest, of course. That's everything. Oh, the train stopped. The train stopped in White Rock. Canadian National, CN. There we are.
Who would ever find something?
I think that's a great thing.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm filling up the boiler room.
Well, this is a beautiful Sunday in White Rock, and this is the one and only show that's going to be on the 18th of August. The weather is perfect as always.
Line in.
And these gentlemen are certainly doing many things here that deals with trains. I can imagine, hey, this is a busy railroad crossing.
He's a young man, he probably could.
Well, he could try.
If my device would start recognizing something,
kissing goodbye from the White Rock reporter in Marine Drive at the train station up here, right there, in White Rock. Make a note of it, send it around to your friends, and say, welcome to White Rock, anytime. Go to inwhiterock.com. Maybe you will see more trains. Who knows? This is great.
Yeah, okay, you should be linked now. You're linked now. We still only use the phone.
Au revoir.